students, welcome to the session. In today's session, we'll be discussing pair of lines workout questions. The first question is here. They are talking about pair of lines given in one column and the corresponding angles, cosine values in the second column. So, what is the formula we need to use here? That is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So this is the property we need to use. So whether to, if is there any point of doing the first question here? Because first option all are third option only. So it's very important which all the things we need to choose. So it is better to go ahead with C and D. So if you go ahead with the third one, what is the cos theta? What is the cos theta value? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and 2h is equal to 2 root. 2h is equal to 2 root. So if you take that one, cos theta will be equals to, okay, so cos theta is equals to, what is the value you are going to get? Modulus of a plus b, 1 plus 1, that is mod 2 by square root of a minus b, 0, 4h square is 8. So it is going to be, what is the value? 1 by root 2. So C option is either you need to go ahead with this one among these two. So either A option or C option is going to be correct. Then you go for the D. Cos theta is equal to again A plus B. So that is 4 by square root of A minus B. So 3 minus 1, 2 square, 4 plus 4 root 2 is 2h, whole square is 32. So here it is clearly equal to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. So this is the way. So answer, the correct answer for this one must be C. Correct answer must be equal to C. Okay. Moving to the next question. If the line x plus 2y is equal to k meets the curve 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. At 2 points A and B, O is the origin and line segment OA, OB are perpendicular to each other. So what is the concept we are supposed to use for this particular question? So we are not sure what is this curve is. That's okay. The curve doesn't matter. If let us assume the curve is like this, and this is the line is meeting. So when I'm writing this equation as, I will write x plus 2y by k is equal to 1. Why? I'm looking for the homogenizing the given two equation. Homogenizing this one with this. So if this angle is theta, so what happened? This OA, OB, the combined equation of OA, OB is simply 2x square minus 2xy. Because this is second degree, this is second degree, I am not touching. 3y square I am not touching. But 2x minus y. This is first degree, this is first degree. I need to multiply this one with 1. What is 1 actually here? X plus 2y by k. So now this total equation becomes second. Minus 1 into 1 only there. So I need to make it as the second degree. So what I can do here just so in this case instead of 1 I will write this equation only, but I am looking for the second degree equation. X plus 2y by k whole square is equal to 0. So this is going to be ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. This equation will be in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. How it is perpendicular to each other. So x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be equal to 0. What is x square coefficient here? 2. Y square coefficient here 3. Here x square coefficient is plus 2 by k. Here y square coefficient minus 2 by k. Here x square coefficient minus 1 by k square. Here y square coefficient minus 4 by k square should be equal to 0. 2 by k, 2 by k cancel. So 5 is equal to 5 by k square. So what is the answer you will be getting? K is equals to plus or minus 1. Answer is A. So here what is the concept? Homogenizing the given equation with the given line. Okay. If the equation pair of lines passing through 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to this one. So I need the pair of lines passing through 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to this one. What is the formula? Directly b times of x minus x1 whole square minus 2h times of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus a into y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. So if you go for that, this is 3 times of, not 3, sorry. What is the value? 5 is there, okay? 5 times of x minus 2 whole square minus 4 times of x minus 2 into y minus 3 plus 3 times of y minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So in this one what they are asking a, b, c, f, all those values they are asking. So you have to simplify this. First part is 5x square and xy terms comes from here only minus 4xy, okay, and plus 3y square. So here actually minus, here minus is there, so you are going to get plus sign, plus 3y square. Now here minus 20x, here minus 12x, okay, so minus 32x. Here minus 8y, here minus 6y, 3 is a minus 18, minus 18 minus 8, minus 26y, minus 26y, and 20 and 27, 47, 47 plus 20, okay, 47 plus, here it is 24. So you look at what is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H values and find the sum. The answer is going to be 52. The answer is 52. So to solve this question, you require only one thing is any pair of perpendicular lines. Pair of perpendicular lines passing through x1, y1 perpendicular to ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is this formula. If theta is the acute angle between pair of lines and tan theta is this, what is the value? So tan theta, what is the tan theta? 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b. So this formula, if you use this formula, 8 by 19 is equal to 2 root over h square minus ab 84 by a plus b is a 19. 19 cancel, 2 4s. So h square minus 84 is equal to 16. So h is equal to plus or minus 10. The answer is this. So what is the formula property you need? Tan theta is equal to 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b. Next question is, the line x plus 2y minus c is equal to 0 meets the curve at 2 points and angle between OP and OQ is 90 degrees. What is 2c square minus 15c? If you look at carefully, this is similar to the earlier question what we have done. This is the pair curve. I don't know what is this one. Seems to be it is representing a circle. Now this angle is 90 degrees. What is the value? Again, the same approach. You can write it as x plus 2y by c is equal to 1. Given equation is second degree term, first one, y square is first degree term, minus of 3 common x plus 2y. So both are first degree terms. So to make it second degree, I will write 1 and plus 3 into 1 square is equal to 0. In place of 1, I will write this value. So it will be x square plus y square minus 3 times of x plus 2y whole square by c plus 3 times of x plus 2y whole square by c square is equal to 0. It is representing pair of perpendicular lines. So x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be 0. Here x square coefficient 1, y square coefficient 1. Here minus 3 by c into x square coefficient is 1, y square coefficient is 4. And here plus 3 by c square, x square coefficient 1, y square coefficient 4 is equal to 0. So this is 2 minus 15 by c plus 15 by c square is equal to 0. So what is the thing? 2c square minus 15c plus 15 is equal to 0. So the required answer is minus 15. The required answer is minus 15. Moving to the next question. This is pair of homogeneous lines. Okay, means both are passing through 0, represent two coincident lines. So what is the property if the equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 coincident lines if h square is equal to ab. So here what is the thing? X square by a is there plus xy by h is there plus y square by b is equal to 0. So here h square instead of 2h, so here 2h is equal to 1 by h. So h is equal, so 1 by 4h square is equal to 1 by a. So you are going to get 4h square is equal to ab. 4h square is equal to ab is the right answer. If slope of one line represented by is 3, then the angle between pair of lines. So if 3, when was slope of the one line, so I can write it as k times of y by x whole square plus 40 by 3 times of y by x plus 5 is equal to 0. So it is, this is m only. So it is km square plus 40 by 3m plus 5 is equal to 0. M is equal to 3. So 9k plus 45 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 5. K is equal to minus 5. So if k is equal minus 5, what is happening? 5 plus k is equal to 0. X square coefficient plus y square coefficient 0. So angle between them has to be 90 degrees. So answer is D, pi by 2. L is a line passing through the point minus 1 comma 1 and parallel to the common line of pair. So there are the two pair of lines are given. So a line is passing through this one parallel to common line. So what is the common line for these two? We need to check. 6x square minus xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. So that equation is 6x, okay, minus y. Just you look at how this is going. Okay, so it's only the factorization. It's only factorization. So 6x square minus xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. 6 12s are minus 70. So minus 72 factors are minus 9 into 8. Minus 9 into 8. So this is, I can write it as 6x square minus 9xy plus 8xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. From here you can take 3x comma. From here you can take 4y comma. So I can write it as 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Similarly, this 15x square plus 14xy minus 8y square is equal to 0. Okay, so I can write that one as 15x square plus 14xy minus 8y square can be written as 3x plus 4y into 5x minus 2. If you look at 15 plus 20 minus 6. So what is the common line? This and this. This is the common line. So L is the line passing through this one parallel to this. So what is that one? 3 times of x minus of minus 1 plus 4 times of y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this equation is 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Fine. Now, then the equation of pair of line joining the origin to the intersection of this one with the line. So you need to homogenize this equation by using this. So that is, from here what is this? 1 is equal to minus of 3x plus 4y. Okay. So homogenize 2x square minus xy minus y square plus x minus y in and into 1 you write here. So this value will be with the minus sign. 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Just you simplify this and you will be getting the answer as x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay. So here two things are there. You need to split into these two lines and proceed further. Next question is, if L1, L2 be the lines represented by 4x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. L3, L4 be lines passing through 4 comma 3 such that L3, L4 are perpendicular to L1, L2. The combined equation of L3, L4 is this. Already we have done in the similar model. Any line, because L3, L4 are pair of lines perpendicular to this one and passing through this. So simply we will be writing this equation as 3 times of x minus 4 whole square plus 5 times of x minus 4 into y minus 3 plus 4 times of y minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. That's only the thing. If you simplify, you will be getting this answer as 3x square plus 5xy, okay, and plus 4y square. So from here, minus 24x, here 8, 24x minus 24x, here minus 15x. So minus 39x. From here you'll get 5, 4 minus 20y and here minus 24y. So it is minus 44y. Okay. Next one is constant term. 16 threes are 48 plus 16 plus 36 is equal to 0. You simplify all these things and accordingly what is comparison, you will be getting the answer. The answer is 66. From the point 3 comma minus 4, perpendicular lines L1, L2 are drawn. Each of these lines, the area of the quadrilateral formed by pair of lines L is equal 0, L1, S is equal 0 and L1, L2. So if you look at the first pair of lines, for example, given pair of lines are this. But if you look at here, there is a major thing is these two are perpendicular. Okay. Now I need the pair of perpendicular lines passing through 3 comma minus 4. Because perpendicular to this one is this and perpendicular to this one is this. So clearly you will be getting a rectangle. You will be getting the rectangle. So what is this point? I don't know. You need to find this point. So they are asking area of this particular triangle. Sorry, not a triangle, it's a coordinate. So maybe what you can do is you can find out all the vertices and proceed. That's the best way of doing this question. Otherwise, area of the parallelogram is given as P1 P2 by sine theta. Parallel. This area of the parallelogram. But here these are the rectangle. This value is equal to 1. So it's simply the distance between two parallel lines, P1, P2. So is it necessary to split this line equation? Not needed. Instead of that, what happened? Product of the perpendiculars from 3 comma 4 to this plane. So this is P1 and this is P2. Just you go for the product of the perpendiculars. You know what will be the product of the perpendiculars? Okay, the product of the perpendiculars is, if it is ax square plus 2xy, so the product of the perpendiculars is modulus of. Directly substitute this. 2 into 9, 18 plus 3 3s are 3 3s are is 9, and 3 3s are 9 4s are, so minus 36. 16 2s are 32 minus 21 minus 1 plus 3 by, okay, root over a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is 2 minus of minus 2, 4 square, 16. A minus b whole square plus 4h square, 2h whole square is 9. So look at here, 18 minus, so you'll be getting minus 18 minus 50 minus 50, here it is minus 1. Okay, so minus 50 minus 21 minus 71 minus 1, so it is 72 by 5. So the answer is 72 by 5. So if you look at the question wise, what you need to do, from 3 comma minus 4, the lines perpendicular, but these two lines are perpendicular. So any pair of lines passing through this one and parallel to the given pair or perpendicular to the given pair is going to be the same thing. Okay, right. If the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the line with the curve at right angle, then G comma F may lies on. So simply here, what is that second degree term? Means x square plus y square plus 2hxy. We will not touch till here. We will not touch here. Plus gx plus fy, because this is two or first degree terms into 1, instead of 1 I will write it as, it is x plus y only, right? It's x plus y plus, instead of 1 you write it as 1 square, x plus y whole square is equal to, they are at right angle, so x square coefficient plus y square coefficient is equal to 1. There is no x square y square coefficient. Here plus g plus f, x square plus y square is equal to 0. So g plus f plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So g comma f lies on x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Suppose 0 comma 0 is the origin and the line meets the curve in 2 points and angle AOB is 90 degrees, then the distance between such lines. So here maybe lambda you may have more values. Okay, so what happened? This is the curve. You need to homogenize this one with x plus y by lambda is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to, sorry, 0, no, sorry. When you lambda is this, so what is this value? Is equal to 1. Now, x square plus y square minus half 2x plus 4y into 1. Instead of 1, let me write x plus y by lambda plus 2 times of x plus y by lambda whole square is equal to 0. Since angle is 90 degrees, x square coefficient plus here x square, and I'm not writing, I'm writing all together x square plus y square. From here you'll get minus 2 by lambda, y square coefficient minus 4 by lambda, here plus 2 by lambda square plus 2 by lambda square is equal to 0. So 4 by lambda square minus 6 by lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So what you are going to get? Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to 2. So those lines are x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And distance between these two parallel lines is modulus of C1 minus C2 by root over a square plus b square. So the answer is 1 by root 2. Answer is 1 by root 2. Moving to the next question. Centroid of the triangle formed by the given three lines. Look at it. They just wanted to confuse you. That is 6x square minus x plus xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. Okay. So you can split it 6x square. 6 2s are 12. So minus 3xy plus 4xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. So from here I can take 3x common. From here I can take 2y. So 3x plus 2y into 2x minus y is equal to, just to check it out whether you are getting profit. Yes, is equal to 0. So you got the line as this is x plus y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to 2x. And this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. This point is 0, comma 0. Now y is equal to 2x. 3x is equal to 1. So this is 1 by 3 comma 2. From here, 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Multiply this one with 2. 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Subtract 1 from other. So x is equal to minus 2. So if x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to plus 3. So what is the centroid is going to be? 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So it is equals to minus 5 by 9. 11 by 9 is the answer. So only thing is splitting given equation into two parts. If P and Q is the centroid of the triangle formed by pair of lines, 8x square minus 14xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So they are expecting us to find the centroid. Very similar to the previous question. So here 8x square minus 14xy plus 5y square is equal to 0, I can write it as, this can be written as minus 4xy minus 10xy factorization. So from here I can take 4x common. From here minus, okay, 4x common from here, and from here minus 5y. So I can write it as 4x minus 5y into 2x plus y is equal to 0. How? 8x square minus 10xy, and it should be minus. Okay, it should be minus. So now this is the thing. So you have y is equal to 2x. Here 4x minus 5y is equal to 0. And the third line is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2x here. X minus 4x. So x is equal to 1, y is equal. Now from here, I'll multiply with this one 4. So 4x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is 4x minus 5y is equal to 0. Minus plus, so will be cancelled. Minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4. If y is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. So the centroid is, anyway this vertex is 0 comma 0. Centroid is 2 comma. So what is 2 comma 2? P is equal to Q is the perfect answer for this particular question. The equation of pair of perpendicular lines passing through the origin forming an isosceles triangle with 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Very interesting question. So I need to find isosceles triangle passing through 0 comma 0 with this line. What is this line? This line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay. So now what is this? If you extend this, okay, so this is isosceles. So angular bisector this. So what you can do is, okay, so now you need to talk about these two lines. Okay, so this is the line, this, and this is the line. So you may have the triangle width. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, let me clear once again. See, I need to find this, and they have given this line. What is this line? 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, maybe you can write another way of doing this one is, this line is y is equal to mx, and this line is y is equal to minus 1 by x. So this angle is equal to this angle, isosceles. Okay, so just to try, what are the m values you are going to get? Okay, so the slope of this line, is minus 2. So m minus of minus 2 by 3 by 1 plus m into, so 2 by 3 into m modulus is equals to minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 1 by m by 1 plus 2 by 3m. So from here 3m plus 2 by 3 minus 2m modulus is equal to modulus of minus 2m plus 3 by 2 plus 3m. You solve this equation. You solve this equation, you will be getting the m value, and from there you get the answer directly. So that is 2 plus 3m whole square is equal to 3 minus 2m whole square. So it is 9m square minus 4m square, 5m square. This is 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, and this 12 that side, plus 24m minus 5 is equal to 0. M is in place of m, you can write y by x. So it is 5x square minus 24xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. Okay, okay, this should be minus sign. This should be. So this is the answer. So what happened? This is y by x. Here y by x. Here that x square will come. That's it. So what is the answer? Answer is 5x square minus 24x1 minus 5y square is equal to 0. Next question is the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the point of intersection of the lines and having the slope 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. The combined equation of pair of lines passing through the point of intersection of these two. So what is the point of intersection of these pair? Okay, so one is you have the formula, but I suggest you go for the partial differentiation. 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to y. 4x minus 6y minus 10 is equal to 0. So if I multiply this one with the 2, you can write it as 4x plus 8y minus 8 is equal to 0. Subtract one from other, minus minus plus. Okay, so you will be getting minus 14y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 by 7. Okay, so y is equal to 1 by 7. 2x is equal to 4 minus 4 by 7. 2x is equal to 24 by 7 is equal, x is equal to 12 by 7. Okay, 12 by 7. Y is equal to what is the value you are going to get? Just check. After that, passing through that point and having this much of slopes, you can get the answer. Okay, but here another interesting point is there without doing all those things. So our required lines are going to be in the form of 1 by 2 slope. So that is x minus 2y plus c1 into another one slope is minus 1 by 3. So that is x plus 3y plus c2 is equal to 0. So not solving this question at all. So here what is going to get? X square minus 2xy plus 3xy. So plus xy minus 6y square. So that option is only one. So I'll be writing that answer D. So here you look at it. Do we need to solve all these things? Not required at all. Not required at all. Simply we look at 1 by 2, 1 by minus 1 by 3 are the slopes. So because since they have given only one combination of this, if there is one more combination, yes, you have to solve without any second. If the pair of straight lines and the line are concurrent, then the acute angle between this. So from these things, you need to get the A value, and that A value you need to apply for this. So what is the point of intersection of this? So the pair they have given as xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. The point of intersection is 1 comma 1. Should be a point on x plus ay minus 3 is equal to 0. So clearly a is equal to. Now from here cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to a plus b modulus of 2 minus 7 by root over a minus b 2 minus of minus 9 whole square 81 plus 4h square 13 square is 169, which is equal to 5 by square root of 2. So that is 5 by 5 root 10. So what is the answer? Answer is cos inverse 1 by root 10. Next question is the combined equation of three sides of triangle R. And if alpha comma 0 comma alpha is the thing, what is that? So carefully you look at here. One line is x is equal to y. Another one line is x is equal to minus 1. Another line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. If you visualize this in the proper approach, this x-intercept is 3 comma 0, y-intercept is 0 comma 2. X is equal to y line will be like this. So this point is x is equal to y. So this answer is 6 by 5 comma 6 by 5, and x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 0 means you are going to get the line as like this. This is x plus y is equal to 0. This is x minus y is equal to 0. Where these two are going to intersect. This point is x plus y. So 2x plus 2y 0. So y is equal to 6. Minus 6 comma 6. Now what they are saying? 0 comma alpha is the point inside. So this any point. Where is it meeting this one? It's 0 comma. So alpha should be 0 less than alpha less than 2, because 0 comma alpha should be inside. So the answer is 0 less than alpha less than 2. If two pairs of straight lines with combined equation, this is 1 and this is 1. So you look at here, what is this equation? So the one equation is x minus 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. And next one is x plus 4 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So what are the things we have? This is x is equal to minus 4. This is x is equal to 3. Similarly, this is y is equal to 3 and this is y is equal to minus 4. Now, combined equation of its diagonals. This point is minus 4 comma minus 4. This is minus 4 comma 3. This is 3 comma 3 and this is 3 comma minus 4. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal, the combined equation. So what is this slope of this one? So this line is going to be clearly x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This line. And what about this line? This line is x minus y is equal to 0. So the combined equation is x minus y into x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So answer is x square minus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. Suppose the pair of lines x square minus 2axy minus y square is equal to 0. X square minus 2bxy minus y is equal to 0, such that each pair bisects the other. Each pair bisects the other. So what is the pair of angular bisectors of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is h into x square minus y square minus a minus b into x1 minus hy square. So its angular bisector is this. So clearly its angular bisector, if I want to write, that is h is minus ax square minus of a minus b, that is 2xy minus hy square, that is ay square is equal to 0. Or this is ax square plus 2xxy minus ay square is equal to 0. But this is the nothing but of this because its angular bisector is this. So that is x square minus 2bxy minus y square is equal to 0. So both are representing same. So a by 1 is equal to 2 by minus 2b. So ab is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Next question. Straight line passing through minus 1 comma 1 and remaining parallel to the line common to these two. So you need to split these two and draw a line parallel. So what is this line? 6x square minus xy minus 2y square. So this is 3x, okay, minus what you can write 4y, for example, into 2x minus 3. Just look at here, 6x square minus 8 minus 8 minus, so it should be plus, is equal to 0. And this equation you can write it as 15x square minus 14xy. So 5x minus 4y into, okay, 3x. I think you take to 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. So any line parallel to this one and passing through this, simply you can write 3x plus 4y. So minus 3 plus 4. So minus 1 is equal to 0. Answer should be equal to B. What is the answer? B is the right answer. Suppose a pair of lines are such that One is they have one common line with other two are remaining perpendicular in the values. Means what is this? So the question is one line is parallel to this. Right, come back. Suppose pair of lines, this and this, how they have one line is common means like y is equal to mx, y is equal to m1x. This is the first equation. Y is equal to mx and y is equal to minus 1 by mx is the second one. Okay, so what will be the values? So you can go ahead with m plus m1 is equal minus 2h by minus 2h by b, and m1 is equal to a by b. So that is 2 by 3. Okay. Next, m minus 1 by m1 is equal to minus b by minus 3, and minus m by m1 is equal to, what is that? Minus 2 by minus 2. So from here, product m square is equal to 4 by 9, and from here 1 by other, if I do m cancel, minus minus cancel, m1 square. Okay, so when you multiply and when you divide, m1 square is equal to 1. So from here what happened? M is equal to 2 by 3 and m1 is equal to 1. Okay, so m plus m1 is equal to 5 by 3. So a is equal minus 5 by 3. This minus minus cancel and you will be getting the. So if the pair of lines represent two parallel, then what is the condition? So simply the relation is h square is equal to ab. The first and foremost point is h square is equal to ab. So here 2a, that means a square is equal to 9 into 4. A is equal to plus or minus 6. But A is equal to 6, only one option is there. I'll go ahead with this. But actually what happened, if A is equal to 6 and B is somewhere is given, then you need to go and check that delta is equal to 0. What is delta? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. If the lines represented by intersects on x-axis, which of the following is in general incorrect? So if these are going to intersect on x-axis, so that means y is equal to 0, because the point is intersects on y x-axis means the point is alpha comma 0. That means ax square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. This should have unique solution. So 4g square is equal to b square delta b square is equal to 4ac. So g square is equal to ac is correct. Next one is represents on x-axis. So hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by AB minus H squared. This is the Y value, should be equal 0. So GH is equal to AF. And what is the delta value? ABC plus 2FGH is 2AF square. Okay, ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So you can look at here what happened. So here AF square plus ABC and these values, readjusting to the things. And to get the one more condition, what is the other thing you will do is, we will be taking this line as like this. L1x plus M1y plus M1 is equal to 0. L2x plus M2y plus M2 is equal to 0. So x, y, z1. How you'll find the point? M1, N1, L1, M1, M2, N2, L2. Y value will be equal to N1, N2, N1, L2 minus N2, L1 should be equal to 0. From here on comparison, you will have L1, L2 is equal to A, M1, M2 is equal to B, etc. So from here what happened? No, actually N1, L2 plus N2, L1 whole square minus 4 L1, L2, N1, N2 is equal to 0. This value is 4G square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So G square is equal to AC. So which of the things are going to correct? This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Only wrong one is this one. So you have to choose this. And taking this one and substituting delta is equal to 0, these two options are going to come. H square is equal to AB, then the slopes of lines represented by could be in the ratio 1:1 because they are parallel lines. They are parallel. A chord through the point 1 comma minus to cut this curve in P and Q. If PQ subtends an angle theta at the origin, then theta is equals to. This is the curve. This is the line. Y plus 2 is equal to M into X minus 1. So I need to find where this R is. So you have to homogenize this. Mx minus y by 2 minus m is equal to. So this is 3x square minus y square minus 2 common x minus 2y into mx minus y. Mx minus y by 2 minus m is equal to 0. X square coefficient 3, y square coefficient minus 1, minus x square coefficient is 2m by 2 minus m, y square coefficient is 4 by 2 minus m. Okay, so just I am looking at what is you are going to get. This is 2 minus, okay, 2 comma m minus 2 by 2 minus m. Okay, here minus will be there, 2 minus m. Okay, so you are going to get this value is equal to 0. Just a minute. I am redoing this one, little calculation mistake. Yes, again, a chord through this one. So this is the curve. This line can be written as y plus 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. So I can write this equation as mx minus y by 2 plus m, okay, is equal to 1. Homogenize 3x square minus y square minus 2x into 1. I will write mx minus y by 2 plus m plus 4y into mx minus y by 2 plus m is equal to 0. X square coefficient plus y square coefficient 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2m by 2 plus m, and y square coefficient minus 4 by 2 plus m, which is equal to 0 for all m values. So the answer is going to be 90 degrees. The equation of bisector of angle between this is very simple straightaway formula. H into, here H is minus 5 by 2 into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Minus minus cancel. So the answer is 5 times of x square minus y square is equal to 2x. The equation of pair of straight lines perpendicular to this one passing through the origin. Perpendicular to this one and passing through the origin is simply, you can concentrate on this one. So that is 2x square minus 3xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. Because interchange these two and change the sign of this, that will be enough. M1, M2, where M1 is greater than M2 are the slopes of the lines, then M1 by M2 is equals to. So I can write it as 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square is equal to 3 times of y minus m1x, sorry, yes, and y minus m2x. So clearly here m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 is equals to, what is m1 plus m2? Minus, so this is 8 by 3. And m1 m2 is equal to 5 by 3. Just look at where you have m1 plus m2 is equal to 5, 8 by 3 and this one. Okay, so what is this? Is it not 1 plus 1 into 5 by 3? So m1 is 5 by 3 plus 1. So 5 by 3 by 1. So you are going to get the answer as 5 is to 3. So with this one, I am concluding this session. Thank you very much. Hope you understand the concepts. Just revisit those concepts and go through the questions. Thank you. All the best.